Okay, so ano yung work ng admin only HVAs? So basically, it's anything and everything under the sun, charing, except scribing. Okay? So ang pinaka main task talaga dyan ay pinaka-main task talaga is phone calls. Kagaya sa amin, walang transfer. Lahat ng inbound phone calls tinitake namin. So, klase-klase yan siya. From appointment setting, setting up appointments for new patients, for follow-up appointment for existing patients, medication refill, ano pa ba? Minsan tinatawagan din namin ng insurance. Minsan nagsasagot din kami ng mga questions about billing. So ayun, halos lahat-lahat. Basta anything, any task sa office. Madalas siguro parang all around ka. Meron ding iba namang admin HVAs na ang kanilang main task lang is to set up an appointment, to schedule an appointment. So, kung hindi schedule, transfer nila agad. So, yun. Pero sa akin, wala akong option to transfer the call. So, lahat-lahat ng inquiries, lahat-lahat ng mga tawag na pumapasok, sinasagot namin. So, kahit ano yan siya. Except for scribing.